basically we start at the peripheral link. The peripheral, which is the S board, is connected using your straight through cable to the D.20 port or D.20 peripheral link port on the D20 on the back of the chassis. And then the application that we will enable for that is going to be B003. So we'll enable application B003 and B008 and B014 and B021, B015 and B013. Eventually there will be a DNP master pulling this RTU. In the B003, all we're going to do is we're going to tag 3 points, which is point 3, 4, and 5, with the first DPA point, second DPA point, and third DPA point. Then these points will be in the WIN database available for the DPA to pick them. We'll put the address of the DPA as 50 and the master address as 100. And now that we know that the address of the DPA is 50, the master address is 100, next we will map these 3 points into the DPA, and we'll configure a Bridgman local application table and remote application table on the Bridgman. Both these tables will just bridge the local application address 50 to the B013 and the remote application address 100 through B013. In the B013 itself, we were just going to configure one record, which is B013.0. Be careful with this. This is very confusing. It's not B013.2 because we're configuring COM2 on B013. So B013 is going to talk through the serial port COM2 on the back of the D20, which is labeled as SIO2. And that record will be labeled as B013.0. So in Bridgman, when we configure that, it's going to be B013.0 connected to local application 50. And B013.0 is connected to remote application, DNP application 100. Okay, so let's get to it.